36. First progress in field of genetic engineering in 1978 by Cohen, Berg and Boyer by synthesis of insulin, growth hormone, somatostatin, B and C both. The correct option is growth hormones. Option B. Which was the first product contributed to human kind of science of biotechnology in early 1972? Option 1 somatotrophin, option 2 insulin, option 3 cytokinase, option D erythropoietin. The correct answer is option A somatotrophin, which is most common plasmid used for most of genetically engineered product. Option A PBR322 are plasmid types, CAMV195, both A and B. The correct option is option D, A and B. The main use of recombinant DNA technology are production of transgenic human, creation of human capable of synthesizing economically important molecules, efficient reproduction of useful protein. Option D is B and C. The correct answer is option D, B and C. 14. Biofuel is made by utilizing which strain of bacteria? The correct answer is Bacillus amyloliquefaciens. Bioaugmentation is addition of commercially prepared bacterial strains, production of fertilizers by using bacteria, metals are deposited as insoluble oxides and sulfides by activities of bacteria. Option 2 is removal of pest. The correct answer is number A, addition of commercially prepared bacterial strain. Which of the following animal is best known genetically? Planaria, domestic dog, Musca domestica, Drosophila melanogaster. The correct option is D, Drosophila. Which one is transgenic crop? Brinjal, potato, grape, tomato. Option D is correct. Tomato is a transgenic crop. 44. The first transgenic mouse grew twice the normal size after drinking contain water. Which kind of water? कॉपर से मिला हुआ, आयरन, जिंक या आर से? The correct option is Zn. 47. One of the following is transgenic organisms. Option 1 is holy sheep and tomato, dolly sheep and sababul, molly sheep and banana, bt cotton and tomato. Correct option is number D, bt cotton and tomato. 48. Transgenic plants are produced by using TIA plasmid from the Agrobacterium tumefaciens, E. coli, bacteriophage, Agrobacterium varians. The correct option is A, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. 49. Vaccine is a collection of antibiotics, collection of life-saving drugs, collection of killed diseases causing bacteria and viruses, collection of lesions. Correct option is collection of killed disease causing bacteria and vaccine. The typical machine for production of bioproduct through microbial is stabilizer glassware, macroprojectile, autoclave, fermenter. The correct option is fermenter. Tissue culture technique has been biotechnologically successful in the production of alcoholic beverage, cheese, chiconin, insulin. The correct option is C. Chiconin. Yeast is good source of carbohydrate, vitamin B, proteins. Option D, B and C. The correct option is protein. The macroorganism involved in making bread is Acetobacter, Brewer's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, none of above. Correct option is C. Penicillin is obtained from mushroom viruses, bacteria and viruses Penicillium notatum. The correct option is D. Penicillium notatum. A bioreactor refers to fermentation tank, organism reacting to stimuli, nuclear reactor for biochemical reaction, tank and biochemical reaction. Correct option is tank and biochemical reaction. 62. Cells obtained from cancerous tumor are known as myelomas, hybridomas, lymphocytes, monoclonal cells. Correct option is A. Myelomas. Hybridomas are employed for synthesis of antibiotics, killing cancer cells, synthesis of monoclonal antibodies, production of somatic hybrids. Correct option is C. Synthesis of monoclonal antibodies. Antibiotic inhibitor the growth or destroy bacteria and fungi, bacteria and viruses, bacteria, algae and viruses, bacteria, fungi and viruses. The correct option is option D. Bacteria, fungi and viruses. Which of the following is not concerned with biotechnology? Biogas production, sewage treatment, biofertilizer, wood seasoning. The correct option is wood seasoning.